What is long-term care insurance?
If you ever find yourself in a situation where you're dealing with a long-term illness or a chronic condition, what long-term care insurance can do for you is provide the financial resources you need to help pay for those costs, which can be steep.
Doesn't Medicare cover long-term care?
Generally speaking, it's not. Medicare will only cover what they consider to be medically necessary skilled nursing care, whether it be done in a facility or at home. There are some policies out there, the Medicare Advantage policies, that will potentially pay for some of that care, but if that happens, you're generally responsible for some of the costs as well.
What is covered in a long-term care policy?
Some of the original policies only covered skilled care inside of a nursing home, but we've had to broaden that definition over the years. And so today's policies will cover a wide range of custodial type care, whether that's provided inside the home, inside of an assisted living facility, or in a skilled situation like a nursing home.
What is the best age to buy a long-term care policy?
So there really is no ultimate best age per se to buy a long-term care policy. What I can tell you is that it's generally less expensive the younger that you are. And as I just mentioned, in terms of the health qualification, each year that you decide to wait is another opportunity for you to become uninsurable. So I would encourage you to take a moment to step back and look at your financial picture and determine when and if it makes sense for you to purchase it.
Are there dollar limits to coverage and deductibles that must be met?
Yes, there are dollar limits on the policy. Generally speaking, when you purchase the policy, you're going to opt for a certain number of dollars per day or per month, and for a certain number of months or days. As far as the deductible is concerned, we do have a deductible in the policy, and in our world that's referred to as the elimination period. And it simply refers to the number of days that you have to pay for your own care before the policy would reimburse the cost that you are incurring.
What is the average cost of a policy?
It's hard to give an answer to that question because no two individuals' financial situations are exactly the same, and what we try to do is tailor the policies to their particular situation. What I can tell you is that, again, it's generally less expensive the younger that you are. Policies with bigger benefits typically cost more.
For more information about long-term care insurance, contact a financial advisor.